Assalamu alaikum everyone, Samir did reaction back with the reaction with Shaman. Like always, support me, love me, and support Shaman for this video making out, because without them we can't make reaction on this channel. I already subscribed to this channel from a long time. Holy Holy Ganga, be a subscriber to this channel because I sometimes I go there and find a lot of video like sharing in this channel. Amazing job, thank you so much for that. And sometimes I always have no time for myself to react or something, but alhamdulillah, I have depression and anxiety attack for a long time. I deal with that, and yeah, alhamdulillah for everything. And the right comment in the description, you can read it, and if you want help or something, that's up to you, it is your choice. So coming back with Shaman, he was singing in a radio, White Wind. In a radio we were seeing this, and this is my first time maybe I'll be reacting to this. So let's start right now with the 3, 2, 1. It is coming right now, and let's go and see what's going on here, and everything amazing. So yeah, let's start, let's go. Okay.
В программе «Живая струна» с Ксенией. Поэтому с удовольствием представляю слушателям радио «Шансон» эту песню «Белый ветер».
Поехали.
Okay.
Я пришел ниоткуда и шел в никуда. Столько разных дорог, а моя лишь одна. Я хотел в этой жизни любовь отыскать, чтобы мог я, как ветер, без крыльев летать. Белый ветер, небо в небо за тобой, кто ответит? Где же ты, моя любовь? Белый ветер, я такой же, как и ты, только сердце не летает без любви. Белый ветер. Но настанет тот миг, небо скажет пора. Ждут тебя высоко твои братья ветра. И тогда полечу в бесконечную даль. И я скажу лишь 2 слова: прости и прощай. Белый ветер, небо в небо за тобой, кто ответит? Где же ты, моя любовь? Белый ветер, я такой же, как и ты, только сердце не летает без любви. Белый ветер. Небо в небо за тобой, кто ответит? Где же ты, моя любовь? Белый ветер, я такой же, как и ты,
touching you. Oh my god. Touch your songs. Oh my god, Shaman. Like tear in my eyes, swear like. I feel every like lyric inside me and oh my god. So touchable this. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, being here. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Love from Algeria to you and everything, everyone. Thank you so much for being here for me. Thank you. And stand for Shaman to get this. Share the video, like, and to continue make reaction about Shaman. So yeah, thank you so much.